Hey, Adam here with Weaver Ag and Lawn, and this is the Mahindra 1626. A lot of reasons I love this tractor. I really think that this is the perfect small property owner, homesteader type of tractor. If you have a small garden, maybe chickens, just a couple acres, you're taking care of wood, this tractor does not have depth or regen. It's still got really good lift power on it. It's a hydrostat, so it's simple and easy to operate. The 2-pedal rocker system is a brake here in the middle, so guys like with bigger feet like me, it's easy to put your foot on here, but it's really simple to just move back to the reverse. It can run all sorts of attachments, tillers, rough cut mowers, a small disc, anything that you would need to maintain your property or homestead. This is absolutely a wonderful tractor for.